Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be installing this onboard boat plug. Typically what I have to do is lift up this gigantic latch and then plug my charger into here. But my boat came with a pre-drilled hole for this plug and the wires are bad. They're absolutely terrible. I had an old 3-prong cord in the house. I'm not recommending anyone do this, but this is just what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to cut the end off this cable, cut the end off this, join the wires together with connectors, and then run them to the boat plug, which will be this. Put them in the back of here, tighten them down, plug your charger up to it, good to go. No more lifting heavy latches or having to set the latch down carefully so you don't split this. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, we got the end cut off. Now we're gonna take our knife and start to shave away pieces of the actual cable so we can expose the wire. Okay, so looks like we have our AC and DC on top, and then we have a grounding wire on the bottom. So we're pretty much just gonna match that configuration. There you go. Now we're gonna strip these, put this inside the plug, and then up next we'll cut this off, measure the wire from the hole to here so it's not drooping or too tight, and then we'll connect these two with connectors. Okay, so we have our plug put together. It's all configured. I have my plug holes open, so this goes over top of this to protect it. So what we're gonna do is, get the wires, we're gonna run these wires through here and then put them into here. So if you put these through, it should look just like this. Okay, then you're good to put them in here. I got a better look at this. It looks like they already marked it, so I don't know if you can see it, but on the right, top right, it says black. On the bottom it says green. On the left it's clear, so that must mean that the white wire goes into that one. So that's how we're gonna hook it up. Okay, we have our 3 exposed wire ends. Now we're gonna put them in the plug and tighten them up. All right, we've got these in here all snug as a bug. Now all we have to do is move our cap up over them. And then I'm going to tape off this end right here, but there you go. Very nice. All right, so I cut the end off this, and then I took this end, ran it through this hole, and pulled against the plug. Now the plug is in there, and now all we gotta do is attach these wires. Okay, we got our plug off, we got our wires here. All we gotta do is strip this end and just connect the colors. That's all you gotta do. Super easy. Okay, we have our wires here, ready to go for connection. All right, we have our connectors on. Now all we gotta do is connect them and then plug our power cord in and see if our battery charger turns on. All right, we got them all connected. They look pretty good. I'm gonna wrap them with electrical tape just to keep a little bit of that corrosion and protect it from the weather and the outside elements, and then we're gonna hook it up. All right, everyone, here it is, the moment of truth. Looks like she's working. Awesome, that's great. This is awesome. I'm very happy I did this, and I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so great stuff, great stuff. Check out my cat. All right, everyone, if you enjoyed that video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know if you think I should have done things differently in the comments. I'm always receptive to constructive feedback. If you don't like the video, dislike it, but I'm not gonna say you should do this. I'm doing this to my boat. Do your homework before you do this. Look up the gauge wire that you should be using, and yeah, just try to be safe when you're doing this stuff. This is electric, this is electronics. This stuff can hurt you. So other than that belayed safety warning that we decided to do at the end of the video, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. All right, so what I did was I took the cord, the plug from my onboard battery charger, and cut it And then I found another 3-prong cord in my house and cut the ends off of that. Connected these with butt connectors right here. Ran it to my plug right here. Ran it to this, so now I don't have to open up that heavy latch if I want to charge my battery. I can just walk up to it with a cord, plug it in, and she's charging.